Moto Guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a powered car mount for the Garmin Zumo XT. The reason I'm showing you how to do this is because the XT doesn't come with a powered car mount, so in order to use it in the car you have to go through this rather cumbersome procedure of plugging in the cable every single time. Now for the past 12 years, the previous three Zumo models I've used, the 550, 660 and 590 LM, have all had powered car mounts. So the experience of plugging them in was just like this, snaps into place and ready to use immediately. So that's what we're looking to achieve today. The items we will need are a Zumo XT motorcycle mount, a Zumo XT motorcycle wiring harness, a cigarette lighter adapter power plug, some heavy-duty Velcro, and a connector block. The first step is to attach the motorcycle wiring harness to the motorcycle mount. To do this, we take the device end of the motorcycle harness and insert it through the back of the motorcycle mount, and then secure it in place with one of the two screws provided with the wiring harness. The wiring harness comes with two screws and one of them is a spare. It also comes with a screwdriver to do up this screw. Next, we need to connect the motorcycle wiring harness to the cigarette lighter adapter power plug. I'm using a connector block to make this connection. I appreciate a connector block isn't the most elegant solution, but all of this wiring will be hidden out of view in my car, so the visual appeal isn't so important. Finally, we need to attach the motorcycle mount to the car mount in order to mount it in the car. For this, I'm using heavy-duty Velcro. I've had great results with this in the past. The adhesive is extremely strong, and you can always separate the two items at any point in time should you ever need to. And that completes the assembly. I have a 12-volt mains adapter, so I'm able to bench test this before I install it in the car. So I plug in the cigarette lighter adapter power plug into the mains adapter, and now I'll install the Zumo in the mount, and we see it powers up immediately, showing that we've wired it in correctly. You can also see in the top right of the Zumo that it's now charging. So the final step is to install it in the car, and there we go. So an extremely elegant solution and much more practical than having to plug the cable in and out every time you want to use it in the car. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, share and subscribe.